lights on. Off and racing. Firestorm got the best of the start. Grey Paris ridden along to go up and take it on. And Hot Pistol settles just behind Grey Paris. Spicy Lyric is over on the rails, and Storm Runner and out 3 wide Fluctuation. Now Grey Paris went to the lead now by 3/4 length to Hot Pistol. He's fighting for its head, so is Grey Paris. Fluctuations has gone around them pretty deep. Storm Runner is back in that bunch with Firestorm and Spicy Lyric over on the rails as they race past the 900, and Grey Paris gets its own way in front. Leads out by a length and a half out of Hot Pistol. Fluctuations going forward, tracked up there by Storm Runner. Over on the fence with Spicy Lyric and Firestorm is last. Grey Paris brings them down now. With about 700 to go, Hot Pistol a favourite in second place. Fluctuations in Spicy Lyric defence, Storm Runner, and Firestorm is last as Grey Paris races towards the 500. Hot Pistol moving up on the outside. Fluctuations is deep. A good break back to Spicy Lyric. Firestorm's a long way off them, and Storm Runner. Grey Paris tackled now by Hot Pistol the outside. Fluctuations. It's Hot Pistol. Grey Paris is fighting back very well, but Hot Pistol's in front. Over Grey Paris, Storm Runner, running home there was Fluctuations. Grey Paris is coming again. Hot Pistol the outside is the leader. Grey Paris is lifting on the inside. Hot Pistol in front over Grey Paris, and Hot Pistol will be too strong. Hot Pistol raced home to beat Grey Paris. Flat out third, Storm Runner, and Fluctuations and Spicy Lyric, and Firestorm is a long last.
Racing, All Burge came out badly. It's tailed off in the early part by about 4 lengths, and 8 Aces drove out of the pack to take up the running clearly from Ostinato, followed by Allsburg, and then came Red Hot Pistol, followed by Gibraltar Boy, and All Burge after that slow start remaining at the rear. 8 Aces has got a clear lead at the 400. It's about 3 or 4 lengths in front. Ostinato one off the rail as second. Red Hot Pistol on the inside looks to have gone through to go into a clear second now, running away from Ostinato. Then Allsburg and Gibraltar Boy, and All Burge is still a long way back. So as they turn for home, 8 Aces held together as the leader. Red Hot Pistol's under a bit more pressure and starting to close in along the rail, and in fact it's gone to the lead now, and it's Red Hot Pistol railing up to hit the front, and it'll come clear and go down to beat 8 Aces. Ostinato got third, and then Gibraltar Boy, followed by Allsburg, and the back of the tail of the field was All Burge.
set 機嚟嘅，佢又話俾個 key 我，咁即係咪代表我公司已經開咗㗎啦？佢整個 corporate key 我啊，已經搞掂㗎啦。